What's the meaning of canker? Canker. Canker.
Canker. Canker. The term canker can have different meanings depending on the context. In terms of plant pathology, it refers to a type of disease that affects trees and shrubs, causing lesions and ultimately leading to their death. In veterinary medicine, a canker is an infectious and inflammatory condition that affects the hooves of horses and other animals, causing severe lameness. In human medicine, canker sores are painful ulcers that form inside the mouth. Overall, the term canker refers to a damaging or destructive condition that affects living organisms.